LV bag needs its own seat.
Excuse me rin, pero my limited edition sneakers are worth more than your committee budget.
Hoy! Ano ito? Hearing ba ito o runway?
You know, Daddy's project funded my new iPhone 25 Ultra Pro Max limited edition.
So what? My dad's drainage project paid for my sports car. Although, yung drainage hindi gumagana, pero at least, yung kotse ko gumagana.
Aba, kaya pala invisible yung kanan. Napunta sa visible na sapatos.
Contractors, habang binabahang bayan, ito namang mga anak ninyo binabahan ng branded.
Mr. Chair, inheritance lang yan.
Mr. Chair, hardware po yan ang anak ko sa TikTok niya.
Oo nga naman. Hard work ng TikTok habang hard flood ang bayan.
This committee concludes, flood control funds should not turn into flood of luxury goods. Contractors must face charges for anomalous projects. And children, leave your Gucci at home. This is not a fashion week.
Mr. Chair, fashion is temporary, but my sneakers are forever!
And Mr. Chair, if the drainage works, baka ma-mud stain ang LV bag ko. Kaya okay na rin, flooded.